Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share a haul with you. I popped into 3 different shops. I've got to share some bits with you. B&M, The Range and Hobbycraft. So the first few bits are from B&M. I picked these up. I'm going to start doing the I do it every year, but I haven't set it up yet. The hot chocolate station. Just a little set up in the kitchen for the kids, just so they can make a hot chocolate, or sometimes, obviously, the older ones, a coffee, and they can take it to work because they, you know, if they leave early in the mornings or college and things. So yeah, I normally pick up from Home Bargains, but I was in B&M at the time and I saw these. They're £2 for 8. And they're really cute, festive Christmas cups. And then next thing I picked up was these two. My daughter I bought these for her when we went away on holiday. First time I think she's had this shampoo and conditioner. She's had the hair masks. Is it hair masks in this brand? Yeah, I think so. Before, but she really liked it. It's coconut oil and cocoa butter. Yeah, so I picked up some more for her because she wanted them again for her hair. So that was, I don't know if I don't think I picked up anything else in B&M. The next is Hobbycraft. So again, my youngest daughter picked up this. She wanted, I think it was reduced. Can't think of the price, about £3 I want to say, and it just says Boo. I think it takes batteries. It's like an LED. She has opened it obviously to see what it's like, so it just looks, I need to get some batteries, but that obviously fits that way around in now. That way, yeah, I think it does. Goes that way round. Just says Boo, and obviously that will light up. Really cute to put in her room. So yeah, so she got that. And then I picked up some Christmassy crafty bits. I saw these. Obviously they might be cheaper online, but I just thought they're just handy to have. And I don't have to wait for delivery and things like that. So these are Christmas sprinkles. You get these little green ones. It's got some little clear, I don't know if you can see that in there, little clear gems in there. Really cute. Sprinkles in the back there. You've got these ones. Again, awesome for shakers. And then the last one is this one. It's got little gingerbread men in there, gingerbread houses. Really cute. I really like that. So I only picked up one. I wish I'd picked up some more. Picked up some calendars. I thought I'd make some calendars this year, maybe for some Happy Mail and things like that. So you get, how many do you get in here? Oh, 10. Wow, that's quite a lot actually. 10 in a pack. And I think they were like £1 or something. Then picked up these really cute images. You get one of each one. I want to say these were £2, but I got these because recently I did pick up these. I think this was the only crafty thing I picked up from, I got these from Amazon, I want to say a week or so ago. And these are really tiny eyelets in different colours. So this is like a silver. Don't know if I'm going to be able to share because it's quite tiny. Like that. To use to make charms, and you get loads of different ones in now. And I thought these would be quite good. I could put one in the top and then make them into little charms, put on different projects that I send out. I thought that was really cute. So yeah, so I got a pack of those. Then found these little bows, stickers. Again, these were £1. I thought they were quite good to put on some Happy Mail or little gifts that you're sending out, or like if you do, you give money for Christmas, or a voucher or gift card, you could stick one of these on the envelope or something like that. I just thought it just jazzes it up a little. Next thing I got was these. I thought these were so cool, number badges, and something you can reuse as well. Again, so obviously you get 24 number badges. I thought that was so cool to put on like an advent calendar. So I got 2 packs of those, and then the last thing I picked up from Hobbycraft was this die and stamp set. They only had one, otherwise I would have picked up more, but it's for like Happy Mail. I thought it'd be quite nice. You got fan mail on there, you got sending with love to and from, you got some dies that coordinate with the stamps as well, got these cute little envelopes, letterboxed, that says mailbox on there. Yeah, really cute. I thought that was quite nice to stamp on, like, you know, like Happy Mail, sending out envelopes, things like that. I thought that'd be quite sweet. And then the last few bits are from the range. So the first thing I found was this. I thought this would be a cool game. I think I'm thinking of sticking this in my youngest stocking for Christmas. I like to get little bits that I know he's going to use and stuff, and I thought this, I've never heard of this game. It's called 5 Up. It was $3.49. It's like a little travel game. When we go away on holiday, we take a lot of travel games with us. Yeah, I just thought it'd be quite good. I think the actual bag, if I remember rightly, the bag is the actual board that you play on. Again, if anyone's played this before, then you might know more than me what it's like. But I just thought it'd be quite sweet to stick in his stocking. And they had quite a few other toys and things reduced. But yeah, so that's what I picked up for him. Then my husband picked this up. It's a like a action camera. I think he's picked this up to go on his bike. Yeah, but obviously you can use it for different things. It might actually be handy when we go away. The kids can use it in the pool, because I presume it is waterproof. I don't know what it's like. You know, like what the quality of the camera is going to be like. But I think this, I want to say $12.99 this was. So not too bad. So that's those. And then the next few bits are some crafty bits. I picked up these. This is the first time I've seen these in the range. It's earring backings. I've never made, I've made some like dangly earrings, but not like studs. And this has actual studs in it. So it's $1.99. You get 530 pieces, jewellery pieces. Comes in this awesome case to keep it all in. So you've got they're cool. So you've got some clear backings there, silver with gold, you've got some white ones there, and they're for making like stud earrings. I'll just, if you can see that. So like you could put cabochons or yeah, little embellishments and things. I guess you could stick those to these. They've got some clear, like little plastic ones, and then obviously got all these backings to go on the back. I thought that was cool, something different. Like I said, I've not made any sort of stud earrings before, so got those. Then found these gem stickers. You get quite a lot in there. I thought it's kind of Christmassy colours, so I got those. Got this little congrats die. It was really sweet, and quite a nice size actually to put on a card or project. And then the last thing, oh no, actually there's a couple of things. So I've got these stickers. These I was so impressed with how many you get. So $1.99. So these are quite flat, festive Christmas, like the hot cocoa. And you've got Santa, penguins. So quite a lot on that one. And then these ones, I think you get less on there, but they're a lot bigger and more 3D. And again, these were $1.99 as well. So that's those. I thought they were really good. And then the last thing, which I'm really excited about, is the silicone alphabet molds. These were $2.99. I picked up 2, and I just thought these would be great for making key rings. I've seen people use the hot glue. I do have, I don't know if I could show you, I don't know if I've got it to hand, the glue sticks, but they're like coloured ones. I'll just grab one and I can show you what it looks like. So I have these. They got like, I don't know if you can see that, like glitter in them. And I thought, how cool if I could make these into like key rings. I'm not sure how I'm gonna, whether you put the hole in after you've made them. I'm not quite sure. Like maybe drill a hole in after to make them into key rings. But I thought that'd be quite cool. Like I said, I have seen some people use the hot glue to make use with these molds. So I'm excited to try those. And like I said, you get the whole alphabet as well as numbers 1 to 9, and they're really nice size. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Have an awesome week.